Hi you guys, it's Yvonne. Yeah, thrift store shopping. So I dropped off shipping and just real close, come to my favorite thrift store. It's not a sale day or anything, but look at this. Hardly anybody's here. Like there might be about 50 people here. Anyways, I've never got to shop when it's this quiet, and they were putting stuff out too, and I just started grabbing stuff. I meant to film, I really did, but I think because there's not a lot of shoppers here, they're really getting stuff out, and there's not a lot of shoppers to buy stuff, so I just kept seeing stuff to grab, and before I knew it, my cart was full, and I'm like, okay, I haven't filmed a single thing. So, but yeah, some really cute stuff. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? This little Japanese thing. Vintage chalkware eagle. I can't remember what this is, but I know this salt shaker is something. So I can't read that name right now without my readers. Beautiful painted tile from Cancun. This is only $5.99, but she's only worth about $20 right now. I might put her back. And as she was rolling out more Halloween clothing, I grabbed this. Here's why I'm going to pay $29.99 for that. I mean $12.99 for that. Gun sack or gunny sack. These always sell well, you guys. So, oh my gosh, yeah. I don't even know what to say. Sorry. Have to wait for a haul. There's some really nice stuff in here. An owl shadow box, vintage mirror, some art glass, some Halloween nails, vintage thermometers, a tiger. I can't even get to that to show you. Somebody made a crazy Halloween plate. Oh, some brass. Darn it, I wish I could get to that. Some pottery that I know the name of. This awesome piece is only $6.99. There was another one that kind of coordinated with it, but it was all wobbly and I didn't think I could fix it. Anyways, darn. Good stuff, you guys. I really love this. You know, I'm not real big on this kind of stuff, but man, that one's beautiful. So I'm just doing jackets. There's only one color on sale. It's not a sale day either. Yellow is on sale. Man, hang on. I have never got to shop when the music sits low and it's just so good. That's only a Knox Rose, but look at it. Let me hang it up. I think Dillard's is one of the places, but look, that's a pretty one. That's a pretty little kimono. So I don't like to pay $9 for Knox Rose, but I think this one's special with the velvet and the burnout and the fringe. Might not make it till half price sale day, so you guys, I'm just looking at fabrics. Already been in here for about an hour to fill up my cart, so I'm just kind of, I love jackets. White House Black Market, looks still new with tags. Maybe on sale day, half price day. Oh, yep, this one had a different feel, and then it's lined. How much is that one? $8.99 at Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, so that's okay. Definitely gonna get that. Make sure it's authentic. European sizing, made in Italy. Check the underarms. Okay, we're good. Uh-oh, hang on. Maybe we're not. Oh, it's just makeup. Okay, in you go. Okay, I'm gonna do the other sizes, large and extra large, and then coats. You guys, this is so awesome that hardly anybody's here. The music's really low. I'm having such a great time. So, some real winners. There's another peek. More stuff in here. All right, you guys. I'll pop back in when I see something cool. Okay, I'm back. I went through all the end caps and looked at belts and scarves, and I did pick out a scarf. Now, typically, a scarf has to be cashmere or it has to be vintage with like hand rolled edges. This clearly is not, but let me spread it out, you guys. Do you see the mid-century modern atomic looking theme? I think someone will love this to drape over a table or a couch or something, or a chair. It's not really, okay, you guys get it, right? If you know what I mean by mid-century modern atomic, you see enough of it to get it. It's only $3.99. I added a piece of jewelry that's half price. I don't really care about the pendant, it's pretty cheap, but I want this 3-strand choker to put other cool things on. And look at this awesome, I don't know if you'll be able to see it through the package, you guys. I hope so. Look at that little handmade kitten. That is adorable. I'll show it to you better when I can open it up. So I haven't taken you with me much, so I thought maybe we'd cruise through Halloween section together. I'm not really looking for costumes. I'm looking for cool vintage stuff, okay? There's something interesting there. That looks very 80s. The material, the embellishments looks very 80s. So I'm looking for, again, unique stuff, vintage. St. John's Bay, something like this. If it was a little older, that would be good for my reenactment. I love to sell stuff to that crowd. Boy, there's a nice little vintage piece. So I'm going to go through it kind of quickly. Anything that looks like it would be good for romantic, Edwardian, that kind of style. I don't know if goth is still a thing. I think they've already changed it to something else similar. Let's see, I like these things. 2000. Well, it's almost vintage now, isn't it? Oops, I'm on a wedding dress. Let's see if there's anything cool in here. Oh, what's this? Looks like it's inside out, but that's pretty. $9.99. Yeah, this kind of stuff sells. You see these Kaftan stuff sells. I wish it had a liner. And this kind of stuff sells for me. These are typically Hong Kong, these little vintage sequins. I don't know if it even, look, metal zipper. No tag. Typically these are made in Hong Kong. Silk lined. Oh, that's a nice one too. How much is it? $7.99. They usually sell for about $30 for me. Ones like this. Okay, that's funny. I'm fine. How much is that? $7.99. That's cute. Grease. Oh, look, still new with tags. How much is something like that? $4.99? Greek handicraft. I'm gonna look up those slippers. Kids, no. Okay, and then I think there's one more rack up there of Halloween we'll go look at. And then make one more round through the home goods because they've still been putting stuff out. But, oh my goodness, so much stuff in here. Look at these vintage thermometers. These are so cool. Let me pull something else out. Okay, this is really, oh darn, I don't want to break it. That jewelry box is everything today to me, this kind of stuff. But this one is awesome. Fantastic. Okay, let's get over there and I'll see you in a minute. I don't know, were you here? Made in Japan. Aw, you're cute. Maybe it's sale time. I did look that up. It's funny. One person has it on sale for $20 and another person has it for $100. Seriously. And solds, there you go. Solds are around $20. So it's $3.49. So I shall leave it here. Okay, I'm passing things up because I did already look at them. This is a Limoges plate, it is. But look, you guys, I'm sorry. I don't want to be mean to somebody, but I mean, it's, you know, it has potential. They'll get there. But yeah, that does say Limoges, France on it, kind of sloppily, but you better pass. Just a bunch of cheap resin. Cracked, but I did look at the cute little vintage piggy. More resin. I was kind of interested in this. I buy it when it's little plates. The pottery that's glazed and has the broken glass in the middle. But with this one, you really wouldn't even see the broken glass too much, and I wasn't 100% thrilled with the rest of it, so I thought I would pass on that one. I have something like this in the cart that I picked up when I first came in yellow. I'm going to pass on the clear, but I did grab the yellow one. I think I looked at this last time. It's pretty new. That wasn't here. It's just a candle holder, but that's pretty glass. Okay, they didn't add anything too cool, you guys. I mean, you know, not for resale. So, double check over here. I did look up this too. And these plates are worth about $15. So it's some kind of famous bakery, I guess, in Alliance, Ohio. I thought I remembered seeing, is it Barb from Jeffrey World Nifty Vintage, that his sister-in-law that he runs around with? She's so cute. I think she talked about that once. This is where I got that idea to look at it. Let's get a little glass hummingbird in. Oh, there was something. Hang on. There was something I meant to look at. Hang on, I'm gonna go a little fast. Show it to you guys. These different Santas, I guess, from different countries. That one says Mexico. This one's supposed to represent Russian Santa. These up. Oh, yes, there it is. Easy peasy. John something. Hang on. Get it in the light. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna look this up. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the verdict. So it's John Pleasance. They're from the 90s. Somebody right now today has 3 of them on eBay for $55 asking price. But there's only been one sold and it was $9.99, $10. And there seems to be some other items that this person makes besides this look. So I think for $2.99 I better pass. Okay, back over to the other Halloween stuff. So, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? $7.99. PG Australia. This is why we check the vintage rack. Oh my goodness. There was something else I saw before I saw that fabric and kind of had a feeling what it was. Let me back up. We got a little company, so let's back up just a little bit and we'll finish it in a minute. Oh, I thought that was Diane Freeze. That might be a good name too, though. All silk. Clothing's been a hard call for me right now because, you know, it's not like we're all going out having all these parties and celebrations right now. Oh, another kimono. I just sent out a kimono today. $50. It's going to Las Vegas. I paid $4.50 for it. Sold it for $50 to someone in Las Vegas. Oh, look what she picked out. She's got her little belly dancing outfit. She got there before me. What are these? Vermont Country Store. I should probably check those out. There's 1, 2, 3. They're brand new. Still crisp. That might be another one. Yep, there's another one. Check that out. Okay. Oh, let's see. It's a little dynasty looking dress. Linda Evans looking from the original Dynasty. I don't know if you guys are watching the new one or not. Okay, so see, this is why I don't show clothing a lot, because it's just, I guess if I clipped my phone up to where, you know, I could back it up and I could pull things out and show you. So what was that, choir? Almost looks like a judge. That was super fancy. I found a Coogee sweater. What else can you ask for? Yes. Okay, well, I had another absolute great time. Great stuff. So I think I will sort through my cart, but most of it I know I'm going to be getting. And head on home, you guys. So I will see you in a few days for a haul video of all this stuff up closely, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.